Trip to the 7 islands of Lefkada, Greece, Meganisi, Kalamos and Madouri. Imagine cruising across turquoise waters, the sun warming your skin, and each stop unveiling a new island more breathtaking than the last. This is what awaits you on a trip to explore the 7 islands of Lefkada, Greece. If you're searching for a slice of paradise off the beaten path, this island-hopping adventure will sweep you away into the heart of the Ionian Sea's most stunning secrets. Lefkada, a gem of an island connected to mainland Greece by a small bridge, is the perfect starting point for discovering the beauty of these hidden treasures. Known for its lush landscapes and crystal-clear waters, the island invites you to delve deeper into its neighboring isles, each with its unique charm. Whether you're sailing across the gentle waves or catching a speedboat, this trip promises unforgettable moments of tranquility and adventure. The first island to captivate your senses is Meganisi, a peaceful retreat known for its secluded coves and dramatic cliffs. Its laid-back atmosphere is perfect for those looking to escape the bustle of everyday life. From there, make your way to the legendary Scorpios, once owned by the famous Onassis family. Though much of the island remains private, its shores offer a peek into the opulence and beauty that made it a celebrity retreat. Another island not to be missed is Kalamos, where rugged nature meets pristine beaches. As you explore, you'll feel the island's untamed allure, its hills draped in pine forests and its waters shimmering under the sun. Kostos, a little further along, is equally enchanting, with its quaint village and quiet beaches inviting you to relax and bask in the simplicity of Greek island life. Lefkada's surrounding isles don't end there. Madouri, home to the 19th century poet Aristotle Villaritis, is an island steeped in history and literary significance. Add to that the untouched beauty of Thylia and Sparti, and you've got a collection of islands that cater to every type of traveler, from history buffs to nature lovers. For the best experience, book a day-long boat tour or rent a private yacht to explore these islands at your own pace. This way, you can swim, snorkel, and soak in the stunning landscapes that define each stop. Which island would you visit first? Share your thoughts below and let us know how these Ionian islands fit into your next Greek getaway.